Man, they all in here stuff. Just looking all in his shit. 1, 2, 3. Man. What the hell is going on here? I got everything blocked. Look, they doing a little too much over there. Hey, I hope he knows his rights. Yeah. Yeah, wonder why they got him. I'm just sitting there searching. Look, destruction of traffic. Look at all that. There's still him moving his car over here. There you go. Move that car. There you go. You know, that was one of them. Heat. What heat stand for? I ain't gonna block up more. Yeah, he look like grainy. How you doing? Big on. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, just be careful, sweetheart. Take your time. Know your laws. Yeah, know them laws. Pull that camera out. He could come up that corner now. Oh, shit. His car still running? His car been running all that time? Still holding up traffic. Still him moving his vehicle. What the heat stand for? Now I paused the video. There we go. Oh, shit. Come on this side. I'm taking his boots. Stop over. What they pulled you over for, bro? You stop over? Stop over? Huh? For a seatbelt and they did a search? Huh? What you had, narcotics? Weed. They give you a ticket. Oh. Give you a ticket. That's crazy. But what caused them to search? Okay, you don't search for no seatbelt. Bro, get their badge numbers. Get their badge numbers. Huh? No, bro. Get their badge numbers and their name. Get everything. Yeah, serious, bro. Yeah. That wasn't no cause for no search. But they said he smelled it. See, exactly. They ain't had no business searching you, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, get their information. No, make sure you get it. Can I get your name and badge number? All right. 940. Can I get yours, sir? 27? 27. What's your name? Mikhail, okay. I didn't get your name though, you spoke too fast. You spoke too fast. Is that courteous? It is? Okay. All right. What heat stand for? What heat stand for? So that was one of y'all that cut that person off? No, that was the Liberty County. That was the other one. Yeah, he cut a person off back there. So because the seatbelt wasn't on, you could do a search? Oh yeah, man, shit. Yeah. No, I just saw it with you. Yeah. Yeah, but not for no seatbelt. And you ain't gotta be sarcastic, bro. I served my country 29 years. Uh-huh. You serve the community. Right. Be nice to the community. No, you're not. You better sarcastic, bro. You have a good day, too.